Hello friends, may you all be safe. Friends, no one knows whether there are any limits to artificial intelligence. It looks infinite like the universe. New technologies are emerging in front of us every day. And as long as we are alive, this new technology will be around. Similarly, today we have a new software that works on artificial intelligence. So, you type MeituYunxiu into Google search. That is, type MeituYunxiu and search. And first you have to open the link. Anyway, I'll give the link in the description, which is https://www.meituyunxiu.com. Let's just take a look at this website now. You will find many features in it, which is related to professional AI portrait retouching. Now, the first one is related to professional quality portrait retouching. As you can see in this given image, it is powered by Meitu's self-developed AI algorithm. Next is the powerful color control that reveals every detail. Professional grade color control with raw processing. After that, there is clean up or replace backgrounds in seconds. It is powered by top-notch image segmentation algorithms. With it, you can remove blemishes, change the background, and there is also an option for sky replacement. Photo background changer allows for fast and accurate background cleanup or replacement. Next is the remove clothing wrinkles for a refined look. It detects and remove wrinkles from photos, even out fabric surfaces, and preserve the natural texture. After that, it has greater efficiency with batch retouching. It delivers amazing photo retouching results with speed and simplicity. Next is the batch edit an entire wedding gallery. It makes tailored adjustments to both the bride and groom's portraits. And why us? You can read it here. And you can download it from here. I can't make a video on all of its functions, because this way the video will be too long. I will make a video on a single function, such as skin enhancer, which is the first feature given on this website. I will make a video on this today. You can check the rest of the functions yourself. And I know you can check the rest of the functions. After downloading and installing the software, open it. You will need to log into this software with one of your email accounts. As I am logged into this software with my Gmail account, you can then open the entire folder, or even a single image. So, I open a single image here. Here, I have such an image. And we will try to refine this image. This software also has presets. The image can also be refined with the help of these presets. If you click on this icon, the presets will open. Suppose I click on the portrait. Its AI will process it here, and it will be applied to the image. But I would try to retouch manually, instead of using these presets. This preset is applied to the image. You can see the image before and this after. And here you can see numerous presets. You can refine your image by applying these presets. I am undoing the preset that has been applied to this image. The first option in this is for color adjustment. In it you will find filters, clicking on which will apply that filter to the image. And from here you can white balance the image, white balance regular background, or white balance solid background. Then there is the tone, which you know very well. By enabling AI toning, its artificial intelligence will automatically adjust its tone. Then there is curves, and you know very well about curves. And then there are the HSL adjustments. HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. Next is color grading, which can include blending or balance. Then there are the details, which has portrait sharpening. It has background sharpening, and if you want to add details to the image. After that there is correction. It has adjustments of red primary, green primary and blue primary. And every primary color has hue and saturation. Here, I am resetting the image. Now we will see the retouch feature. All the options in it work on AI. As you can see, it has automatically detected that this is a portrait of a woman. Above you will see the option of man, woman, child, elder, etc. But its AI has detected that it is a portrait of a woman. Now, if you look at the image, there are many blemishes and acne on her face. If we want to remove them in Photoshop, we will need many steps. But we will use the artificial intelligence of this software. In Remove Blemishes we enable Makeup Protection. After that, move the Acne Face slider to the right. I am making this amount 100. So, you can see the difference between before and after. You can also remove acne on the body. Body blemishes can also be removed. You can add matte to the image, the amount of which I am doing is 50. If there are wrinkles on the forehead, they can also be removed. I am also making the amount 50. And we can also remove dark circles from the image. I'm increasing the amount to 100. Then you can see the difference between before and after. Can also remove wrinkles around the eyes. And if there are cheek lines, they can also be removed. I am doing 46 for cheek lines. Smile lines can also be removed. I am increasing the amount of smile lines to 50. I'm also increasing the amount of lip lines to 50, slightly. We can see the difference by setting the lip lines to 0 and then to 50. Double chin can be removed in the same way. I do face defocus repair at 53. Here we have used all the options to remove blemishes. Next is neutral gray living in the skin feature. I also keep its amount to 50. Then there is the neutral gray contour. I also keep its amount to 50. Next is the skin refinement effects. With this slider, I also set the amount value to 50. Then there is frequency separation, which you know very well. Photoshop users are very familiar with its high-frequency enhancement and low-frequency smoothing. I have increased the frequency separation face amount to 50. There is also a frequency separation body. Increasing the skin texture face will make the texture clearer. You can also adjust the amount of texture by increasing or decreasing it. I have kept the amount 50. Play with the AI Retouch face slider and see. I have set its amount to 60. Now you can see the before and after image. The skin tone has brightness and whiten, the amount of which I have set to 12. After that, you can adjust the rosy skin tone. I have set the amount to 65 in rosy, and we will check before and after. The amount of the skin tone balance face is 45. No need to use the skin tone balance body slider, because this portrait only has a face, no body. Next is the skin tone balance multiple, the amount of which is multiplied by 50. You see the beauty of this software. Now you can select the skin tone from here. Clicking on fair will make the skin tone fairer. After that is natural skin tone, then rosy, and finally tan skin tone. And you can increase or decrease its intensity. I'm selecting rosy's skin tone here. And you can increase or decrease the temperature of this tone. Then there is the plump feature. If you select the eyes, there will be an effect on the eyes, and its intensity can be adjusted. You can also use it here for the forehead, mid-face, and mouth. Then, I adjust the V shape of the face shape a little bit. Now it has temples, cheekbones, jawline, and width. You can check all these functions on the image. I am skipping the rest of the functions to shorten the video. Now, we come to the hair. See image by increasing stray hair amount to 60. Stray hair is used for chunks of hair, or uncontrolled hair. When we see the before and after, we will feel the difference. So this hair first, and this hair later. After that, if you want to soften the hair, or darken its color, you can darken the hair color with color darkening. If it gets too dark, it will look bad. I set the amount to 12. You can brighten the eyes, I'm setting the amount to 50. And, if there is redness in the eyes, you can reduce it here too. You can add glasses glare on the eyes. I are doing 33.4 glasses glare. If I select oxygen in the catch light, so you will see a clear change in the eyes. Here I select clarity and you can adjust its intensity. I am setting 50 for both eyes. And then you can see the difference before and after. And below are all the eye settings. You can also zoom, vertical, horizontal, or rotate here. After that there is teeth. But we don't have teeth in this portrait, so you can also give teeth witness. As you can see, whiten slider in the teeth. Then there is the makeup feature. I am giving the amount of 50 to enhance eyebrows. I will increase the amount of enhance eye makeup to 100. Slightly adjusts the shadows and highlights. You can adjust enhance lip makeup with the slider. I set its amount to 100. You can enhance blush with its slider. I also set its amount to 100. And these are all its presets. The one you click on will be applied to the image. These presets are very useful. You will be surprised if you use them. As I am applying the tie preset, This preset will affect all of the options listed above. Next is the body feature. You can select natural or model here. Remember that in this software, we only have 2 clicks. And your image will be retouched with just a few clicks. And here you see all the features, or you can call them options. Keep in mind that they work on artificial intelligence. And for this you must have internet access. Now, after using all these features, or options, you can see the difference between your image, before and after. There is a very clear difference that has to do with the texture of the skin. You can see the color of the eyes here, the shape of the eyes, and the brightness in the eyes. We have adjusted the eyebrows as well. As the face shape, we have worked with just clicks on this image. In this, if you want to change the background or retouch it, you can do so. If you check in about, you will see that this is a Chinese software whose version is written as current version. I hope you will definitely like this software. And along with that, you will also like this introductory video. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.